body check you out of here. Fucking god. Get out of here. No, you're not gonna. Could you get out of here? Get out! No! Fuck you! Oh my god, they have fucking items like it's no damn tomorrow.
You mad?
Shut up, Christina! What the fuck is this?
Steven, it's a game.
I don't know how much times I have to do this. It's about my 5th time trying this whole damn thing.
But it's a game.
I don't give a shit what the fuck you say. Now shut up.
That's not very nice.
Oh my god. Oh my god, you just block it with one hand. You just grab my shots with one hand. You. Yeah. Fuck off!
Why are you so angry?
Fucking bullshit. Fuck you, now I have to make fucking 3 goals. Fuck you, man. Shut up! Get out of here! Fuck you!
Scared the shit out of me.
Come on, give it to fucking Bowser! Oh my god, get the fuck out!
Sit down, Steven.
That's right, I'm gonna make it all the way up to fucking 3.